Good morning, fourth grade. Today's Tuesday, and for Tuesday's ELA lesson, we're continuing to work on our inferencing. So today we're going to go ahead and continue making an inference using evidence from the text as well as personal experience. All right, so today's text is called The Travels of the Potato by Marie Schaefer. So for today, we're going to read two short paragraphs, and then we're going to see how we can get some information as far as the text and how that supports our inference. Okay, paragraph 1. The potato plant is native to the Andes mountain region of South America. This is where it first appeared and thrived. The ancient Incas were the first people known to eat the potato. It is an excellent food source, one that provides both energy and vitamins. During the 1500s, Spanish explorers to that region encountered the potato. They had never seen it before. By the 1600s, potatoes were grown in many places in Spain. Make sure you can see all of this. All right, paragraph 2. Early on, some Europeans shunned the potato. Scientists learned that it was closely related to some poisonous plants. But some European doctors accepted the potato as a medicine and used it to treat common illnesses. By the early 1700s, potatoes were being raised in England as a food crop. The plants grew well in the cool, moist climate. Soon, the potato became a major food staple, particularly in Ireland. Finally, in 1719, immigrants from England and Ireland introduced the potato to the New England area of North America. All right, so this piece of the map just tells you a little bit about where it started, where the potato became very familiar and commonly used. All right, so today, again, we're going to focus on how can we pull evidence from the text and tie it in to our personal experience about what we know already about this topic, and then finally making our inference. Our inference today is going to be how we can infer about the spread of the potato as a food crop. All right, so we're going to go back into the text, see what information, what details help support, make inferences about the spread of the potato as a food crop. So I'm going to give you a couple of details that I see, and your goal today is to go ahead and come up with your own 2 or 3 details, also from paragraph 1 and or 2, and then tie into your personal experience, but also make that inference there. Okay. All right, so I'm going to start from top to bottom. And so I'm looking for, again, an inference or a detail that helps me infer about the spread of the potato as a food crop. So what do I see? What details? I'm going to go ahead and use my close reading strategy of going back, rereading for specific details and information. One thing I noticed is that it says that the potato plant is native to the Andes mountain region of South America. That's an important piece of information because, again, it tells me about the spread of the potato as a food crop, where it was native, okay, where it could be found prominently. Okay, so a lot of them could have been found in the Andes mountain region of South America. Potatoes came from there. So that's important to know. A beginning place or a start place is an important detail. Secondly, as I continue on in that order, I would say that Spanish explorers to that region encountered the potato. And they had never seen it before. That, I know there are 2 separate sentences, but those 2 are talking about one thing, that the Spanish explorers to that region had come across the potato and they had never seen it before. So that was a first for them. So that detail also tells me a little bit about the spread of the potato as a food crop, and then will lead me to that inference. All right, so today your assignment is to come up with or find in the text. Okay, don't go above this. We've already found 2 here just in this section. So now your goal is to start from here all the way down to the end of paragraph 2. Come up with 2 or 3 more details that again tell you or help you to infer about the spread of the potato as a food crop. Next thing you're going to do is talk about what you know. What experience can help you make that inference? Remember that when you infer, you're using details from a text, but also what you already know about a situation or experience, and that helps you make your best sensible guess. Okay? You're going to infer about the spread of the potato as a food crop. Where did it start? Where did it go? And where is it finally? Okay? We already talked about where it began, who was first, who had never seen it before, and where it started. Okay? And then kind of lead on into the paragraph. If you're not sure, just go back into the text, reread. Close reading is a wonderful strategy that really does help in all aspects of reading, okay? All right, once again, you can go ahead and turn in your assignment on Canvas. Please make sure you're reading, rereading, and pause accordingly with the text of this video whenever you need a little bit more time to read, okay? If you have any questions, please reach out, send us a message on Canvas, email, let your families know. Reach out if you have any questions at all, okay? Again, you got this. You guys are great at rereading and finding text evidence. Again, the focus is to make sure that we can make our best sensible guess. Most realistic. That sounds like a really good guess based off of text and what I already know about this topic. Okay? Infer about the spread of the potato as a food crop. Okay? You're turning in your work on Canvas. Please and thank you, do your best, and please check your spelling and make sure your writing is understandable. And if you're not sure, send us some feedback, give us some information on Google Docs, and we'll send you that feedback. Okay? If you have any questions, you know what to do. Otherwise, have a great day and work hard, do your best, and simply try. Bye. Here we go.